I'm going to come around and put your yeast in. And then one of the people in your group needs to agitate it. And as you're agitating it, you need to feel of it before it gets to the top. My bottle's warm now because what's happening is the yeast is working with the hydrogen peroxide to create what's called an exothermic reaction. It's about to go. So it's blowing up. Whoa. Okay. No, you can't put it where your shoes. Okay, you ready for yours? Yeah. All right. Remember, we don't stand directly over it. Don't stand directly over it so that you don't smell the fumes. Make sure your eye protection's on. And make sure. Okay, so now you need to agitate a little bit. Feel the heat. Remember, you're going to run your arms. I'll come back.
Keep pouring. Get it off. Is it rising? Let me feel it.
Look at the top of the white part.
Let me feel. Let me feel it. Let me feel it.
Stop touching.
Oh my god. Yes, we're agitating.
Okay, gently. Okay, ready now? Okay, gently agitate. Remember,
Swirl it. Once you get to it, I know.
It's like the clear part stuff.
yeast is what makes bread.
And there is bread everywhere.
You're shaking a little bit, like from the bottom.
It's going
Gently, Mark. Gently.
Gently.
Okay, put it up
It's yellow at the bottom. It's white.
It's just yellow. Like dark.
Like it's kind of yellow.
Like it looks like dirt. I know, and then it just exploded. And then it exploded.
Mike, put it down now. Watch it, it's gonna
No, you gotta keep mixing.
Oh, that one looks good.
It looks green.
Don't touch it because it's
Okay, Victor, sit down because this is dangerous. It's allowed. Oh, y'all's a good one. Don't touch. Okay, all right, let it sit because it's getting too close to the edge.
Yeah, it's getting yellow.
She told you not to smoke it. Y'all need to shake it a little bit more. No, it's about to
No,
go.
they don't need to touch it, Mariah.
And here we go. It's so slow.
Take it so slow. It's growing.
And it's actually going into the barn. Oh wait, no, it's too much.
It's like so slow. Like that. It's so slow.
Okay, too close to the top.
It's a snail.
Okay, do not touch your bottles. Now that the material is up at the top of your bottles, do not touch it. Remember, these chemicals are very dangerous, and you guys do not have on last gloves. Do not touch the material. It can chemically burn you.
It's almost
Just
there.
watch.
Mix it a little. Mix it with the flavor.
Okay, talk to me. Raise your hand. What did you observe before? What did you observe before we added the yeast? What was it doing?
It was cold.
It was cold at first. Even though you didn't raise your hand. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, then we added the yeast. Raise your hand. Tell me what happened after we added the yeast.
It got warmer.
Hey, I can't hear you all talking at the same time, so you need to raise your hand and wait. What? It started to rise. What else happened to it? Mark? It got warm, okay? Your cold solution turned warm. Why did it turn warm?
Because when you add the yeast,
Aricia? Very good. When the yeast was added to the hydrogen peroxide, it activated the extra oxygen. It caused the chemical to break. When the chemical broke, it created or allowed the extra oxygen to go off into the air. What have you noticed since your elephant toothpaste made its way out of the neck of the bottle? Did it go slow or did it go fast?
Slow.
It sped up, didn't it? The chemical reaction sped up. Why? What do we have all around us out here in the air?
Oxygen.
Oxygen. That extra oxygen mixed with more oxygen makes the reaction happen faster. Very good. Okay, open up your elephant toothpaste book and write down what you observed.